In this video we are going to be running pocket option AutoTrader on Deutsche coin, and I will set a very high target so we can see how it will do. So if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to run this binary option robot yourself, you find link below the video and you'll get started completely for free. Now let's start it up and let's see how it works on our cryptocurrency, Dogecoin.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom! Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah.
So we did now just let it run and trade Dogecoin with RSI plus EMI trend, and did work pretty darn good. The only thing we did wrong again, I did choose same direction. It's actually better to choose opposite, because you can see that when you get a wrong signal, it's better if you take another direction. So, but we reached our target of $700 and we actually did destroy it. We got $827. So if you want this binary option robot yourself and want to start making money with the trading pocket option automatically, you find link below the video and you also get started today. So with that, have an amazing day.